Okay, how are you? We are having this HP Folio. Probably it's having a problem with the screen. It's having a problem with the screen, not probably. So let's power it on and see how the screen behaves. Let me plug it on and it's taking 0.5, 0.6, 0.3, 0.2, powering it on, and it comes on with 2.4, 2.1, okay? So it should be giving out a display. And let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Okay. Nothing on the display, okay? Screen tilting a bit, nothing happens. Caps lock. Is powering on, but there is no display, okay? Caps lock, caps lock, caps lock. Caps lock is not functioning. I can't see caps lock responding. It's taking the right current, 2.1, 2.2, meaning it's also charging, okay? You can see caps lock is not responding. Probably it has a damaged caps lock, damaged keyboard as well. That maybe you can confirm later. But we totally have nothing on the display, on the screen. So let's open it up. Off. Always ensure that you disconnect the battery first before you open the laptop. So remove the battery. Then we open the screen up. This is the way you open the screen. You remove the outer bezel. Then you open up the screws. Should be a 1 minute job. Okay. This should be a 1 minute job. 1 minute job. Okay, then we remove it like that. Then we separate it like that. So this is the screen. Let me look for the screen so that we can do the replacement check. I'm having some test screens here that we can use to test. Let's try this one out. I guess this one should be okay. Let's try it out. Okay. So we just install it the same way. This is a 40 pin 14.0 screen. This is the 40 pin connector. Plug it in and power it on. And oh my goodness, look at what appears on the screen. Because this is 9470, but this model has a problem usually. It selects which kind of screens it wants to use. So we're having a problem here. Let me confirm this is 9480M, but 9480 should not be having this problem. Look at the way the screen appears. Okay, we have to look for another screen for testing. Pin. Okay. have some two more here. Can use them for testing, okay? And let me see a code here. We have tested this one. So that is out, and we test this one as well. Remember, problem is not a screen, eh? Problem is this model. The problem is this model of laptop faces those kinds of problems so much. Good. That one displays well. So this one is good to go. And so you can see it's loading Windows. So this one is okay. So this model has that problem so much where it selects the type of screen it wants to use. Yeah, so you must keep trying and looking for the right screen. So if it works the way this one has, then we now close it up. We have no any other business. Close it up. Okay, fine. It's loading Windows. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. It's loading Windows and it's not okay. So that is the way you change the screen. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Have a nice day.